guys, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I'm sharing with you a very useful hair care product which I feel very few people are aware of. So I thought I'll educate you guys, tell you what is it, who needs it and how to use it. So guys, the product that I'm talking about is Wella's T18, the hair toner. Now, what is a hair toner? Toner is something which is different from hair color. So hair color is something you apply to get the right tone, the color. But toner is something which neutralizes, balance the tone of the color. So let's say if you've gone like very light, you've gone platinum, blonde, silverish, whitish this time, then a toner is something which is going to neutralize the brassiness, because what happens is once you go very light, the hair tends to look brassy, or it fades over a period of time. Or let's say if you get bleach done, then they look very brassy and faded. So a toner kind of neutralizes, camouflages that brassiness, so it brings the hue, the tone back to more like a more neutral and a warm tone, which highlights whatever hair care color you have to a brighter tone, to a more warmer tone. But it is definitely specifically meant for more lighter kind of shades. So alternatively, let's say you got hair coloring done like couple of weeks back and now you feel the hair look faded, then you can utilize it after a couple of weeks to like just bring back the hue, because primarily you don't need the hair color again. At times you just need to brighten up the hue and the tone. So guys, whatever you need is the way of using this product at home is same. So I'm going to give you the whole tutorial how to use it and why you gonna love this, because once you understand how to use this product at home, you will not have to go to the salon, spend all the time, money and the effort to either get your color neutralize, tone, which is something I think we need pretty much very often. So what you do is you take a mixing bowl, right? You take one portion of this toner and you have to mix it with a cream developer, which you need to purchase. So the one that I'm using here it's called Wella's ColorCharm cream developer. The bottle also says this is 20 volume. You may use any brand. This is what I have, so I'm just mixing these two because both of them are from the same brand. So you mix one part of the toner with two parts of the developer, the creamy thing, and mix them well, leave them for few seconds, and part your hair into sections and make sure you apply it with a brush nicely to the whole scalp. Do not leave the roots should be covered. If you're more comfortable, utilize a comb to spread the product through, otherwise your hands also do a good job. Right, and leave it for 30 minutes. Rinse it, normally shampoo, condition the way you do, detangle your hair and style your hair, and you are good to go. So guys, the only thing you need to make sure while application is that your hair should be towel dry. They shouldn't be totally dry. You need to give this whole regime like 45 minutes to 1 hour. But it's still, I think, lesser than what time you would spend if you go out and head to the salon. And this would last the results would last for like a couple of weeks, depending upon individual's frequency of shampooing the hair. But if you're shampooing like, let's say twice or thrice in a week, which is the normal frequency, this will last up to like 3 weeks. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.